choice and from the decision making, let's have one question for both of you. If you have a choice, you have to reduce the cost immediately or invest into a greener and better solution on the supply chain, but it is more expensive, but it's going to give you a value addition after a couple of years maybe. So what's going to be your priority and how are you going to get in over there? And I'm talking about not just internal discussion, taking it to the boardroom. Maybe we'll start with you, Akriti, and then we'll go to Siddhi.
Hello, everybody. A very interesting start to the conversation, I must say. It is always a difficult choice because I come from a retail industry and we need to meet the market demand because the biggest waste in supply chain is the goods that are unsold. So if we are producing something or if we are not able to sell it across, it is a waste. And so yeah, it is a difficult choice, but when we look at sustainability, and this is how I have seen my organization and a couple of organizations, be it H&M or Adidas or Nike, the way they look at sustainability, it is more like a long-term strategy, right? So when you make a long-term goal, when you make a long-term strategy, it becomes really easy to actually take that call of going towards a greener, a greener option that helps us in a long term. But it has to be pitched in, like you said, how would I pitch into the boardroom? I would not pitch in as a greener alternative. I would pitch in as a strategy that will help us in a long run. And for that, of course, I would need matrices which will help me showcase it to the boardroom that, you know, this, while I might be spending more at present, 3 months from now, 6 months from now, 3 years from now, 5 years from now, we will be a more resilient supply chain. And I think a greener one would make a better choice. But of course, it should meet the market demand. If it is not meeting the market demand, the most green solutions are invaluable for us.